This is a 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 with a 5.3, and this is going to be a lifter tick. There's a lot of other noises that can demonstrate the same worry of a lifter tick, but this is going to be the lifter tick in this 5.3 liter motor, related with the DOD system and the AFM, the active fuel management system. I'll go around and make sure that all your sensors for your coils are plugged in and your spark plugs are plugged in. It's also followed by some lights on the dashboard. Your engine light's going to be on, along with your ESC or your traction control stability light. It's going to follow some misfire codes and be running real rough.